Hey guys, I didn't do an intro here for my video, but basically it's kind of just a little makeup tutorial with what's going on, the coronavirus, things like that. So I did fast forward some of it so that way it's not like a whole bunch of talking. But yeah, definitely like, subscribe, and share. Just a little humorous on what's going on and what I do. Like when I'm home, I just pretty much do my makeup and then just stay home. That's what I do. But yeah, definitely it's nothing like I don't have it or anything like that. If I'm coughing, I don't have the virus. So just an FYI, it's just allergies. It's about time to have allergies. So yeah, definitely let me know what you like about it and leave some options below. Thank you.
So next, I'm going to go ahead and put on my concealer. Definitely want to hide those under eyes during this crazy time, especially if you're staying home with them kids. They are going to go really crazy. My little one already does me crazy. Yeah? She's like, no. She knows. Okay. And this concealer is heavy coverage, which is good. It kind of makes the foundation make it look like a heavy foundation, but really it's not. I can never cover my freckles, so those will forever stay where they are. I'm going to highlight and take it. I'm just not highlight. Next, I'm going to go ahead and get my setting powder, which right now I'm using the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh powder, which, sorry, this stuff is amazing. I'm going to go ahead and put that on to the lid. And so that way, whenever you put your mask on, hopefully the makeup stays. And I like to put it underneath the eye, over the nose, because I think it's going to go over the nose too, I think. And then that's pretty much where I put, like, everybody's going to do it everywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in. And over my eyes too, because I did put the concealer over that. So next, what we're going to go ahead and do is I'm going to still bronze up the face. So I'm going to go ahead and take my Anastasia Contour Powder palette thing. I'm going to go into this color and this color. And I'm going to look over here because I have the mirror over here. And I'm just going to bronze up. In here. And I can fix the light on tan a little bit. But also onto the sides of my nose. Like I said, it's not going to matter all right here. So I'm still doing it just in case. Just in case it looks good. I'm going to go ahead and take the Milani Trio palette thing, and I'm going to go ahead and use the blush. We usually use all the colors, but I'm thinking I'm going to go in with the middle shade. And just kind of put that on there. And then onto the nose. And then for highlighter, you're still going to see your highlight, so you got to make sure that it looks bomb still. So I'm going to go in with the Dose of Colors by Vivienne Katie Fuego. And I'm going to go ahead and put that. You know what? Oh, I have my highlighting brush. I'm going to use a different one. And put that around your cheekbones up here. Highlight to the dots. want to make sure that the highlight can defeat that virus, so I'm going to put that on. Next thing we're going to go ahead and do, and we're going to go ahead and start off with the eyeshadow. So, like I said, for the eyeshadow today, we're going to use what is it? The Tartelette palette in Toasted. So you want to go ahead and get this one out. And what we're going to go ahead and do,
So we're going to go ahead and start on the eyeshadow. So what we're going to go ahead and do is get a blending brush for all over. I'm going to go ahead and take Latte here. I already hit pan, so yeah. I'm going to go ahead and put it here into, I guess, like the crease area. Blending it. And then do the same onto the other eye. Next thing we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to do Cozy, which is this dark corner here. I'm going to go ahead and grab that on a flat brush and put it onto the lid. So just like so. Kind of blending it up a little bit, making it look a little smoky. Just like so. I'm going to do that to the other eye. And doing the same, making it look smoky. I feel like the other eye is a little bit darker, so I'm going to put a little more. And I'm going to go ahead and take a blending brush. And the blending brush, I'm going to go ahead and just blend the colors out. Nicely. Just like so. For a nice blended look. Now I'm going to go to the bottom. And I'm going to do the same, but I'm going to go ahead and take a Latte and a little bit of Cozy. I'm just going to tap it on there a little bit, and then kind of just do the brown lashes. Like that, do the same.
Mom.
What? So we went ahead and did the eyes. Simple, yet nice, and when you put a pair of lashes on, it's going to look good. I'm going to go ahead and get my, those are my eyeliners that I'm going to use. So, for the wing, I'm going to use the Roller Liner by Benefit. And then for the bottom lashes, I'm going to use this Appeal Gel Liner in Desert Taupe onto the bottom lashes. So let's start off at the top doing the wing, and I'm going to go ahead and just curl my lashes real quick. Because I feel like every time I do my wing and I curl my lashes, the wing comes off. I did that. So I'm going to go in and do a wing. I think some of these outside mowing the lawn. Alright, just like so. Kind of take a while, sorry. And I'm going to go ahead and do a bottom liner. my mascara. I'm going to use this mascara here. Actually, it's backwards. So, Grande Drama. I believe you can get this now at Ulta, so I'm going to look it up.
What?
Put it on to your lashes. My daughter's here, so she's trying to talk. So that's that. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab my lashes. So let me go ahead and get that off camera. Okay, so I have my lashes. I don't remember which ones these are, so I'm going to go ahead and put the glue. So, what do y'all think about, like, the whole COVID-19 and everything? I feel like it's gone crazy. Stores are running out of everything. As you know, I formula feed my daughter, so I feel like I'm hoping for next month there's still some. So, if not, I found a recipe, but then again, people are sharing that recipe, and everybody's gonna get whatever they need for that recipe. So, hopefully it doesn't get too crazy, and hopefully we don't get shut down or locked down, because I mean, I stay home either way, but it's just if there's an emergency or anything like that, like, who do you call, what do you do, you know? I feel like this is a scary moment for zombies. It would be a scary moment for zombies. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop on this lash. Now, what do you think, Ava? What do you think about this virus? Either. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Yeah. Can't have fun during spring break anymore. We just don't do anything anyways, right? Go ahead and put glue onto the other eyelash. And I'm going to go ahead and put this on as well. I'm going to put this lash on. And let that one dry also. I'm going to go ahead and get that inner corner color. Alright, in a little bit. I'm going to get that inner corner color, which is Candle, onto the palette if you have it. If not, you can use your highlighter you just used. So, it's totally fine. Alright, my daughter wanted a little gummy. Eat it. So put that there. And we're pretty much done for the look. So let me see if wait. I don't know if you can really see how it looks. For lips, I'm want to take selfies before you go out. So I would recommend like a mauvey nude maybe, or it's up to you on what you want to do. I usually always wear this kind of color, so let me go ahead and put that on. And like I said, once you put the mask on, nobody's really going to see it. What matters is your eyes. Okay, hold on. So, that's what I put on. Now, if you want your makeup to stay with the mask on, you need to spray your face. So, Morphe. I'm going to spray. I'm going to let that sit. I don't have anything to fan myself with, so I would sort of use my hands. Oh look, I have a Pamper Moms. So, let that sit on there. And then for the mask that you're going to want for this tutorial, hold on, you didn't spray too much, like right here. For the mask, you're going to need the N95 mask, and you can get this, or you probably can't get this anymore. I was gonna say your local whatever. I don't know how to put this mask on. So, it looks like this. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. So it looks like this, so I'm guessing these two go behind. Wait. I don't know. Maybe like this first. So we got that one on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do that one. And then I kind of put that one there, but it looks retarded. So I'm gonna put it under my hair. We'll do both. Just like so. So that way you can still style your hair. So, this is the new look in 2020. This is COVID-19 prevention, makeup tutorial, and what kind of mask you need. If you go in this, holy moly, the way you breathe is so weird. But yeah, what do you guys think? Do I look cute going out in this world? Like, subscribe, share, whatever. And y'all be safe out there. Stay indoors. Don't go outdoors. And yeah, have fun.